over here. Oh, jeez. I've been like a Jesus sister. Oh, jeez. Ow! Ow! Jeez. That hurt. It's way worse off camera. Not way, but jeez. Yeah, that guy grabs onto your arm. We got this last Christmas or 2 Christmases ago, right, Guppy? And it was for Chloe. Aww, Jim's. Okay, he's sniffing. You wanna see something crazy, guys? Put it back like this. Oh, crazy. Oh. Go. He'll go nuts. I wish I just caught that on camera. He just flipped the toy into the air. Guppy, careful. Do you need me to get your toy? Look at him. No? Okay. Oh, geez, that's really blurry. There we go. Hi. You want help? Oh, you want help? Huh? Oh, look at him. He's like, come help me. Look at him. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, such a good boy. He's sad. Poor Guppy. He's very skinny. Guppy, want me to get you a toy? Okay, I'll go get, let's go. Keep pulling it right there. I don't know if you can see it because it's so blended in. There you go. Good boy. Oh, wait, we don't want to see your butt. He's like, what the heck? Right. He's right on my leg. Oh, he's tickling me right here. Did you hear that? What was that, Gup? He keeps dropping it on the ground, so it sounds like knocking. Guppy! It's like sitting down. He thinks I'm so not strong. Ah! Look how skinny he is. He never eats, honestly. We try to we feed him, put stuff in his bowl, he just sniffs it and watches his sister eat her food. He likes to eat on a plate though, which is weird. Da 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 da. Snip, 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 snip. toy. I'm gonna get that toy. You're really fast. Crazy mode. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, he just found himself. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big fat thumbs up if you want more of videos like this with my dogs and stuff. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more videos. What is he doing? I don't know. And yeah, let's just slowly take this toy away. He's acting really weird. Human, leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep, okay? Just go away.
Okay.
Human, you are so weird.
Thanks, dog.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, like this video if you want more. And yeah, I'm tired now, so human, shut the camera off now. Now!